first of all, I want to thank Beanie and Vidya for this excellent report. And I want to point out to people that we've had slowdowns because of the complexity of what you're looking at. And if you look at the graphic behind the contact information, this is how complex education is, period. And then you've got all this, I mean, it's just incredible. So we've got FERPA, parental consents involved. Each student is different, and all the partners and everything. So it's a huge, complex thing. And I want to say again, that's what education is about. That's why it's not a business. It can't, there's some inefficiencies in it, primarily because we've got so many complex human beings involved. Thank you so much for doing all this. I have a few questions. How much staff time does it take to put all this stuff together? To enter data and all that kind of thing. I hear laughter from that. Yeah. So staff time means FTEs. FTEs means salaries, and so that's why this is expensive. So if we want this kind of stuff going on, and it's very valuable to everybody, it's going to take money to support it, and that's FTE. So total, how many staff people does it take to maintain this system? You had to design it, maintain it, input it, all that kind of stuff. Interface with the partners, get information from them, and some partners are not as responsive as others. So, got an estimate?
We actually, here in the pilot year, Vidya is doing a lot of the tasks herself, and we are recording. She is keeping logs of how long it's taking her to do this, that, and the other, so that when we talk about a full-scale rollout, we have an idea of, do we need an admin, do we need a training coordinator who just does that, or and we will pretty soon be coming up with some more specifics behind what we feel is going to be necessary to sustain this and do it well, and, you know, of course, how much that would cost.
Could you give me a ballpark, just a ballpark, staff and money? Maybe Vidya can do that.
We will definitely need one FTE in the MIS department for the development, and then I think
one in HMIS, okay.
One is MIS, and then one to be a coordinator. And then I think one admin person who will be helping us with scanning the documents, and if possible, the same admin can also be a technical help, online technical help person.
Okay, and then we've got all of the technology that's involved with this too, right? So when it breaks down, you know, people fix it and all that kind of thing. So this is a huge network it takes to get this huge amount of data on like one kid, and then multiply that by, you know, 81,000. So I'm saying this because I would like I think all our governmental entities are going to appreciate having this information, but it's going to take money to, and so everybody's going to have to participate.